will serve for the set. That's outside. But they're going to call a challenge on this one. Very crucial one.
Serve by Mata. Unfortunately, we were not able to see it from our vantage point.
A little too far.
Take a look at FPU. Checking exactly.
Meron ata silang ruler. Dapat meron measuring tape. Tinitignan nila kung saan nag-landing yung bola. Behind us, NU fans saying it's inside with their banners na sana win. Merong Mayora Lams Lamina. We'll see. Is it inside?